Hello traders, welcome back. It is Monday, 29th day of July 2024, and we are back on the chat. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. So basically what we do here every day is to share our trade ideas, pairs we want to get on, and then we as well give analysis on how news can, affect the trade, and then as well we review our trades for the previous day as well. So today, my first trade idea is going to be on Euro USD. So why am I hoping, and what am I hoping to do here? So basically, I'm looking forward to buying this pair, yes, because as you can see, it is on an uptrend. We got this here, then we got here, and then this is more like a retracement, and then from this retracement we are hoping to have a push to the upside. So let's get to the lower time frame so that we'll see what I'm looking forward to do here. So although if you look at this, you would see that it has formed some bullish candles here. You can see this, but then one bad thing about all these bullish candles is that these bullish candles, regardless of the fact that they are bullish, they have some kind of rejection wicks. So that is one thing that is discouraging, and we must watch out for that. Be very careful while we make this trade. So we are not looking forward to having, maybe a huge number of pips in profit. We can just get 15, 20 is very okay. So we're not going to be, greedy on it. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so you can see this, and then if you come to the 1 hour time frame, you can see something like this too. It is a gradual change of, trend. After it crossed this particular line here, I was expecting it to come further down, but then since Thursday, Wednesday, it's not been able to give us a new low, but rather it is giving us a kind of a movement to the upside, gradual movement to the upside. So that is why I'm expecting, as you can see this direction I have put here already. I'm expecting a break of this line and then a retest of it, which will be aligning with this trend line we are seeing right here. This trend line I had put here. So that is basically what I'm expecting here. And then from there, I would want to buy here, and then make my stop below this psychological level, which is about 15 pips. And I think that's a fair one. So this will be it for today, the first one. Then the second one is on Gbpusd. We'll start from the day chart. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. We share our trade ideas here every day on Bitcoin and Forex pairs. So this as well, we were looking forward. If you can remember our analysis last week, it's on a bullish trend. Sorry about that. It's on a bullish trend, and we expected it to come touch this level here. Then from this level, it will signal us for a buy. But then it seems the pair is not ready to get to this level here. But then it chose to react here, then maybe here. So that's why it's reacting on this psychological level. So, but then, and that is why I'm beginning to look forward to have a possible buy from this point. So let's get to the lower time frame so that you see, on Friday, Thursday and Friday, we've been talking about how to sell this pair, but then we got some couple of, profitable trades from here. I think this was the one of Thursday. Then from here was the one of Friday. Although it was a little bit in profit, but then it wasn't as much as what we expected. So now this is not, sorry, this is not my first trade idea. Just I've said my first is the Euro USD. But then for this one, you see that it is making a movement that is seeming like, a movement that is going to be to the upside. So let me take out this psychological level here. We don't need this, sorry, this trend line. So, and this is what we are beginning to get. So I'm interested on this pair. Let's put it on the 1 hour so that it can make more sense to you. So you see what we are getting here. So I'm interested on a buy here because since Thursday, we've not gotten, on Friday, we couldn't get a new low, but what we are getting is a kind of movement to the upside. And today, Monday, we've gotten a movement to the upside, and then it's trying to give us a new low. However, this trade can continue this thing, but I will only become very much interested in buying if it crosses this line right here. You know, if it crosses this particular line right here, which will now become officially a movement to the upside, you know, which is going to maybe cross here. So I will become interested only from this point. I'll become interested in buying only if it crosses here, which I'm not thinking it's a trade for today. Yeah, I'm not thinking it's a trade for today. So this will be what will happen here. Only when it crosses here and then retest it, I'll become interested. However, even if I want to maybe get on it from this point right here, it will be just for a scalp, So, and I'm scalping it to get to this psychological level here. So it's just, you know, very short trade that I will take here, should I want to get on it today, because it's giving us already movement. But then my best will be Euro US. So let's get to Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, which we, you know, it was massive for us last week. And then so we are looking at it today again. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. We share our trade ideas every day on Bitcoin and Forex pairs. So here we are looking forward for a break of this zone here. You know, the market has gotten into a kind of range, or let's say consolidation. So it's consolidating here now. A break will let me know exactly what to do with this pair. Maybe a break and retest will signal a movement to the upside. You know, maybe to this point, to this line here, because last week I said that by Monday we should get a movement to this point. So now maybe movement to this point, then to eventually to this zone here. But then if it breaks here, maybe it's coming here. But then if it breaks down and retest this level, then it means that it's continuing to the downside. But whatever happens, I will just keep my eye on it. So that is it for Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. So let's get another one I'm looking at as well is USD Swiss franc. Yeah, US dollar Swiss franc. So let's get to it. So, you know, this is what we're having here. It is on a downtrend. You know, you can see it from here. It's on a very clear downtrend, and look at what we have. So you see on a very clear downtrend, and then after crossing this line right here, I hope you can see it. After crossing this line right here, this particular line here, so it has given a retest. So what I'm expecting is more maybe continuation to the downside to get to this psychological level here, which I have made thick, right? So let me get to the 15 minutes time frame to let you know how I want to take this trade. Yes, although this is looking as if it is on a bullish trend. Yes, it's looking as if it is on a bullish trend, not a bullish trend, rather like a movement to retest somewhere around here. But then I'm not seeing that as very feasible. So I'm looking at more of this. I'm looking at here as it is going to do something like this. Sorry. I'm looking at it that is going to do something more like this. Okay. Look at it that it's going to do something like this, and then retest, and then continue to come to this level. But then whatever happens, I will keep my eye on it. So that is it for this. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification. So let's go to Bitcoin and see what Bitcoin has for us. Then for the news today is a news-free day. We don't have any news today. You know, today is Monday, 29th of July, 2024. So we don't have any, news. But then tomorrow, that's when we begin to have some CPI coming in from Germany, and then the rest of the week we'll be having some. You can see the week is gonna be very busy. on Thursday, Friday, Wednesday, especially. So, but then, guys, so let's go to Bitcoin and see what Bitcoin has. So I've been bullish on Bitcoin. I keep saying that Bitcoin is coming to 80,000. And then on Saturday, yeah, the video I did on Saturday, you could remember, the video I did on Saturday, you can check on the channel. You get a lot of them there. So on the 1 hour time frame, let's start from there. So I had said when Bitcoin on Saturday was at this zone, at this area here, this area of 68,000, I had said it is best for everyone to sell Bitcoin from this point. Yeah, if you're keeping Bitcoin, sell it at this point, because this point was already posing itself as a rejection, because it had rejected here, and then pushed this market all the way down here. Then because of Bitcoin is being very bullish, it came up again. So being on this level again and having that kind of slow movement on Saturday morning, and I felt, okay, should Sunday come and give us a red candle, then it means that this market was going to come all the way down. So I suggested that maybe you should, sell whatever you're holding on Bitcoin and then allow it to cross this 68,000 comfortably, and then a retest would be when we should join again. And that was exactly what happened. It crossed, it got to 69,000, and then on that same on Saturday rather, it retraced, and then when it got here, I think this was the right place for you to get in, and I got in as well at this point, and then hoping to take it to 72,000. When it gets 70,000 again, I'm going to sell. Yes, because if you look at the chart better, I think 72,000. Yes, look at the chart better, 72,000. Yes, this 72,000. Look at it here. 72,000 is the all-time high. Yeah, it's the 72,000 is the all-time high. So when it gets to 72,000, I'm going to withdraw and allow it to cross. Then I will join again only after it has crossed and retested. That's when I will get myself involved in Bitcoin again. So, but you see, as you can see, this movement to the upside is so massive. So we keep our biases intact of buying Bitcoin to maybe 80,000 or anywhere around there.